I'm very much happy to see the honeycomb panels because of what happened before 10 to 15 years. We had proposed lot of honeycomb panels, but due to the rates, it's not available in India. It was very expensive. But nowadays, Indian manufacturing coming with the panels, it's good. Nowadays, all the consultants want aluminium, solid aluminum sheet. If I'm going with honeycomb panels, it's lightweight as well. Due to a honeycomb panel, we can get flat panel. There's no stress in the panel, and you don't want to have a stiffener to meet the structural requirement. See, again, this Alu Breeze, yes, it's not a extrusions. It's only your coil coating, coil, and you are doing the bending. Yes, first of all, it's very light material compared to extrusions, and I think cost effective also. Yes, and installation is very easy compared to extrusion. In extrusion, we need to get it, then fabrication, and you are in which in Alu Breeze we are getting directly the sunshade louvers. Yeah, any louvers is lightweight, and of course, yes, structurally we need to check what kind of a thickness is required, what kind of a fixity, that we need to check. But yes, is lightweight and cost effective. We do prefer that. If you go with coil coating, all the consultants, all the specifier would like to have a coil coating instead of aluminum sheet. For example, in India, I think only one company is there can able to do 3 mm thick coil coating, but remaining all are doing vertical cladding, in which we can't that kind of a quality, that kind of a shade appearance we can't get. So we do propose coil coating, which is maximum 2 mm thick. But I am happy if the project is more than considering the wind pressure, we need to have a 3 mm thick. That's why I do prefer 3 mm thick, but I'm happy if it is a coil coating. See, certification, if it is any cladding material, we need a fire retardant grade conforming to EN 13501. If it is a ACP, not only test report. For example, test report, anybody can do that. So we propose conforming to EN 13501 factory production certifications. It needs to be, or else we don't recommend the product. And I think considering Indian market, all the 4 to 5 big players having certifications, and some of them having only class B, some of them having A2. So A1 we are having only option, which is solid aluminum sheet. So we propose only sometimes NFPA 285, or else another BS standard is there, but that's only for system test. But any FR grade certification, we clearly is only as per EN 13501 certifications. See, factory, for example, if I want to test if I am a ACP manufacturer, I will take a FR grade from you, then I will put it my name and sell it, okay? And I will test with the EN 13501 is only a test report, right? But in that case, if it is a factory production certification, FEC you called, it's a full factory certification. I think that enable accredited, the body, the testing body, they will come for inspection. They will check what kind of FR granule you are taking, what kind of invoice, and they can able to test from the site also. So they do, I think every 6 months they do the testing, kind of auditing. So we as a consultant, we can be assured, yes, whatever material I am getting from a factory certified manufacturer, I am getting the FR grade. So that is very important. It's a basic thing. It's not a high specification. If any FR grade, not only SCP, if it is there is a HPL panel also, we ask for a certifications. Any material, if it is FR grade, it needs to be certification, not only a test report. Beat the fire.